Don't you think Another Love is such a moving pop song that sounds great on the violin? I really hope you will enjoy playing it yourself. Hi, it's Julia from Violin Inspiration, and today we are going to learn Another Love in a beginner-friendly arrangement. If you practice the scale before you start practicing the song, it will be so much easier to play in tune because you already know where to put your fingers. So really don't skip this step and first practice the scale so that you will play everything more in tune. If after this tutorial you feel ready to add a little bit more challenge and to also play in different positions and make the song sound even more fancy, I also uploaded an intermediate version of this song on my channel. Just look for Another Love plus Violin Inspiration, put that in the search bar and you will find it. Okay, without further ado, let's get started with the play-alongs. Good luck practicing! I really hope that went well. And if you want to learn other emotional pop music on the violin, I can also really recommend to learn 1,000 Years. I've uploaded both a beginner version and an intermediate version on my channel, so there's something for everyone. And I think you would really enjoy that one if you enjoyed to play this song. Also, next week there's another song coming up that I think you will love, so be sure to subscribe to make sure that you are not missing the next tutorial that I'm going to upload. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and comment below how your practice was going. I'd love to hear from you. It always makes me so happy to see your comments, and it truly motivates me to make more videos like these. Thanks so much for watching and happy practicing!